Hey everyone, how do you change out an oil pressure sensor on a 2018 Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 liter engine? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first you're going to take off your clamps that hang onto your air intake, both by the mass airflow sensor right there and then by the throttle body, which is right there. And then you're going to take off the vacuum lines that are going to the valve covers on each side. So the mass airflow sensor is right here, and you're going to be removing this clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Once that's loose, go ahead and pull your boot back. Then come over to the driver's side. Right here you'll see the vacuum pipe coming off from the valve cover. On this one I'm pushing up from the bottom. You can see how the clip is moving. Push it up from the bottom and go ahead and slide it back. Now over here on the passenger side, it's the same clip except it's upside down, so you'll be pushing the clip from the top and then sliding it back. Now I'll go ahead and go to your throttle body and unscrew the clamp for the air intake. So once that's loose, you should be able to just grab a hold of the intake and work it loose going backwards. Sometimes it's kind of tight. Go ahead and work that off and remove the air intake. Okay, if you look right below the throttle body, it will be the left sensor, and I'm using a pick that looks like this to release the safety tab on it. So once you get the safety clip back, then go ahead and squeeze. I'm just using a pair of plano pliers, just give me a little bit of leverage. Go ahead and squeeze the connector down. The front of it should pop up, and then you should be able to slide it off like that. So now I'm going to use a 15/16 deep well socket, or a 24 mil will work also. Go ahead and slide it into position. Let me expand this out a little bit. Use an extension to get it past the belt. So get that extension underneath there, and then get you a ratchet on your extension, just like this, and you should be able to loosen and remove the sensor. Let me expand this camera out just slightly so you can see. Now I'm just going to take the ratchet off and do it by hand. Okay, now you can see that the sensor is off. Here's the old one. So now compare the old one with the new one. Make sure that they look the same. Make sure that the connectors on the inside look the same, which it should, because this is a GM part. And right here is the part number for it. Now in case you're wondering, the sensor is actually, I paid less for the sensor than the aftermarket one, and I did get it from the auto parts store. So if you see any type of residue or anything down here where the old sensor came out, just try to get that off. Try to make sure that it's nice and clean going in there. Take the new sensor and go ahead and screw it in. I usually like to start doing it by hand, just to make sure that it doesn't get cross-threaded or anything. Okay, once it's started, go ahead and get the socket. Screw it on there. I'm just doing this by hand. And once I get to a certain point, I am now going to get the ratchet. Alright, there, it's got snug. You don't have to tighten it up down too much because it's got sealant on there. So once you get it down into that position, I go ahead and take your connector, slide it back on, lock it in, push the safety on it. Now all you gotta do is put your intake back on in reverse of what you took off. Just be sure that you connect your vacuum lines back up and get your two clamps tightened down. And that's how you change out your oil pressure sensor on your 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Alright, hopefully the video helped someone out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.